Graph on the coordinate plane. Say we have a graph. We always label our axes. So this is our y-axis. And we always label our x-axis. And I'm going to go by intervals of 1 on the number lines. Okay, and so say I have to plot an ordered pair. I'm going to say graph A at -3, 5. And so we remember that this is our x value and this is our y value. And so x direction's left and right, but negative direction would be the left. So -3, and then I go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is my point M. We also like to get in good habit of labeling it with the ordered pair, -3, 5. Okay. You will also discover that there are reflections. And this is in our notes from yesterday as well. But we have some reflections in which we can graph points across the x-axis and graph points across the y-axis. So let's take a look at 2 examples. Graph A, 2, -4, and its reflection over the x-axis. So if I graph A, this again is x, y, and so I'm going to go over to the right 2 and down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is A. And we can label that 2, -4. Well, if I have to reflect this over the x-axis, that's this line right here, and so I have to jump above that line, and if it's 4 units down, I'm going to have to go 4 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so this is my new point, and that would be 2, +4. And so notice that I reflected over the x-axis, and my y value went from negative to positive. One more. I'm asked to graph point B, -1.5 and 3, and its reflection over the y-axis. So my ordered pair, -1.5, if I go -1 halfway to 2, so that's right here, and then I go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and that is B, and my ordered pair, -1.5, 3. Well, it says to reflect over the y-axis, which is the vertical line. If it's 1.5 to the left, I have to go 1.5 to the right. And so this is my B reflected. And that ordered pair is 1.5, comma, up 3. And notice how it's the x value that changed signs. So from -1.5 to +1.5. And those are our examples.